Keep that vibe. Rubber side down.
Right, ladies and gents, how's it going? Oh my word, a brrr. It be a bit chilly. It be a bit chilly indeedy. Still, it's an absolutely lovely day. I just went off to Rykas Cafe to get myself some lunch on a day off, and it was very nice indeedy. The food was good. What wasn't good though was some inconsiderate, just, I don't understand it, knobber sitting there with a laptop out, which is fine. I mean, it's a cafe, you can do some work there if you want to do some work there, but she was sitting there watching bloody telly on it or something. And I'm pretty sure most laptops come with headphone ports, but no, she had the speakers on, pumping out some shitty soap opera that only she could see, because obviously it's on her laptop, not for everyone else to be able to enjoy. Not that I would have enjoyed it, but man, how inconsiderate is that? It's the social skills. Some people just don't have them. I don't get how they get through life being so frigging ignorant of other people. Just mind boggles that they think that's acceptable behaviour. Well, I'm generally quite tolerant, I think. I might be wrong, I mean my friends might say it differently, I don't know. But that just gets my goat. As does noisy eaters. But you expect to hear noisy eaters when you're in a cafe, just because that's kind of what happens. If there's someone watching blooming some shitty, crappy program on their laptop, it's nearly as bad as listening to tinny shit music when you're stuck on a train next to someone with like shit earphones. They just play more noise outside of their headphones than they do inside the headphones. It was the one time I was really grateful for the screaming shitbag kids that were in there. Because I found it quite funny, because I think she was getting quite stressed with the kids screaming over the top of her telly, so she couldn't hear what was on her programme too well. Oh well. What gets your goat? What makes you want to rage quit the room that you're sitting in? Hopefully not my videos. I feel all calmed, but in this little baby here, this makes me feel pretty calm. She looks lovely in the sunshine. She really, really does. Just got the one camera today. I know I like my tech, and I know I like my multiple camera angles and stuff like that. But there's something to be said for nice and simple. And although I upgraded from the 5 to the 6 and then to the 7, and then also got myself that 360 camera, I'm just running my 5 session at the moment, and it does the job plenty good enough. As does the 4. You just have slightly less features and stuff with them, don't you? But it's quite nice, just keeping it simples on the odd ride. Don't have to worry about lining up your audio. Any of that jazz. It's kind of like like the ethos of this bike. It's a bike that I just like to be able to swing my leg over. I don't need to get into my leathers and stuff like that when riding this. Although some might say I do. But yeah, the GoPro Hero 5 session. It's the Moto Guzzi with action cameras. You just throw your leg over and ride. Saying that, I've still got my power bank strapped to the back of my head and it plugged into that, so I don't need to worry about the battery going flat. So many people seem to put their motorbikes away once summer's over. Days like this, why would you do that? Now I know it's only sort of autumny, we're not into the depths of winter just yet, but still, I know it does get a little bit grotty this time of year, but definitely not today. Not at all. Now, I'm pretty sure it was around here where there was all that grit a few months ago. I haven't been this way for a while. I think we're alright. I think it's got washed away. Proper packer. Traffic's nice as well. Not too many cars, not too many mobile obstacles. Saying that, so I approached two of the buggers. Well, it's about my little micro rant. It really got up my nose, it did. It really did. So, yes, just wanted to get it off my chest. But life is all good. Now I've had a little bit of Guzzi time. So anyway, if anything winds you up, stick it in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a little thumbs up. And if you didn't, give it a little thumbs down. It's all cool, we don't mind. But whatever you do, please drop in a comment. Let me know what it was you liked and what it was you didn't. As well as all the other things that piss you off. Hippo's counselling session, eh? Tell you what, I feel like a hippo. That lunch has filled my guts up massives. Any howsels. You ride safe. Take care. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.
Keep that rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bar. Rubber side down.